Voice Runner, welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So this is the RANVOO AirJet II. So I want to take a look at this because I actually had the RANVOO AirJet original one. This is actually going to be upgraded. It's going to give you a lot of cool features that are improved from the last model, which is this one right here, which I use pretty much every day. So yeah, I want to jump into this unboxing. I actually did unbox it already, but the footage got destroyed somehow. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what comes inside the box, talk about some of the cool features with this one, and basically why you should actually pick it up. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So yeah, this is the RANVOO AirJet II. This one has 100% plaque removal. It's also going to give you the O-shaped jet nozzle. It has airflow boost technology, and also it's made of a triple cylinder pump inside, which has aerospace design. So this is going to be able to clean deep between the teeth, beyond the surface level, and it's got this nano bubble technology which actually clears plaque, and also is going to be breaking down the surface cleaning limits of traditional brushes. So yeah, this thing is dentist grade as far as cleaning, full coverage. You can get all the tough blind spots when it comes to brushing. And so I definitely think this is going to be pretty cool. It's also got 60 days battery life, as well as fast charging technology and a premium body coating, which is waterproof and stain resistant. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing right now. I'll make sure I leave a coupon code so you can actually get it for cheaper. I actually did unbox it already in another video, but that video got destroyed, so I had to start all over. So the first thing you want to do is pull these tabs up. And what's cool is it has a really cool unboxing experience. So as soon as you take it out the package, you're gonna see this really nice, presentation. So it basically says right here that we once believed that stronger vibration meant cleaner teeth until periodontal proved otherwise. So it helps you protect with your gums. The AirJet electric toothbrush actually cleans between the teeth where others can't. So this presentation is really solid. It also does have the wall mounted charger, which is actually pretty cool. You're gonna get your 3 brush heads inside this box, as well as your AirJet inside here. So let's go ahead, take it out. And first thing you're gonna be greeted with is the toothbrush. It has all the instructions right here, as well as the user manual inside too, so you could actually read that as well. So yeah, you get this mount right here for wall mounting it with the stick-in pad, which is cool. And then you have the removal. This actually can stick to the toothbrush, and it's actually very solid design here. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. This will come off and attach to the wall with a magnet or the sticker. So you have the magnet here, which attaches to the toothbrush, and then to the wall. You have to remove this when you apply it. I'll show you guys how I do that. And so yeah, it comes with the wall charger, wireless charger right there. Well, basically you charge it there. You get your accessory right here, which is your type C to type A for charging it, which is right there. And then I want to show you right here what else comes inside the box. So you also get our 3 brush heads right here. So this is actually pretty cool because they offer 3 different styles of brush heads. This is the soft gum air one right here, which is I already took out of the box. Balance multi-effect brush head. So, and then the diamond whitening brush head. So this is really cool. This focuses on whitening and polishing. This one actually focuses on both cleaning and gum protection. And then this first one is actually for 0.01 ultra fine bristles for gentle care, ideal for sensitive gums. So that's the one I actually took out, the sensitive one. And basically when it comes to setting this up, all you have to do, take off the rubber top, put the brush right inside, and it's ready to go. So you can see the differences here between the two brush heads. You don't get the cap cover this time, but you can see the size dimensions are pretty much the same as far as the overall look. You can see it's a little bit slimmer, so it's going to actually be easier to reach in certain areas. And if you have braces, this is definitely ideal. So yeah, I have the sensitive gum one on there right now. One thing is that if you want to turn it on, you actually get the locking feature. So this will actually lock it when you hold it for 3 seconds. Unlocking it, you hold it for 3 more seconds, and now it's unlocked. So you have your modes, the foam. You have the foam mode right here. You have the soft mode right here, and you have the clean mode as well as the whitening mode. So you can see how this looks when it's actually turned on. So let's go ahead and turn that off. Half full out of the box. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this set up. I'll show you guys actually how it works when you're actually setting it up for the first time. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the RANVOO AirJet II. One of the cool things is it does fit the original charger from the first generation, so you can actually use the same charger. If you get the new one, you can still use the same charger and it will charge nice and quick. I think the new charger is a little bit faster, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. But yeah, it still works with the charger from the original AirJet. So yeah, I want to go ahead and test this out and let you guys know what I think after I use this for a couple of times. But yeah, this is really cool. You can see it says charging right here, and this is going to be the upgraded model. So I definitely think this is going to be awesome, especially with some of the new features that it has to offer. All right, guys, so I wanted to test out the AirJet technology on this. Right here I have the brush charging. It's at 60%. So yeah, let's go ahead and I got a bowl of water right here that I wanted to actually show you what it looks like when you turn it on. So what's really cool is this does generate 2.6 milliseconds high-speed airflow. It has a dual action system, so it has the sonic vibration plus the bubble jet boost, cleaning performance, and then it's going to release 220,000 micro bubbles that reach between teeth to thoroughly lift plaque and debris. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. This is actually the foam mode. So this is to give you an idea of how it actually looks in the foam mode. You can see all those bubbles. Really cool stuff. Let's do the soft mode. You can see the bubbles that it generates. This is all going to be happening inside of your mouth while you're brushing simultaneously. And then you have your cleaning mode. Look at those bubbles. And then you have your whitening mode, and those are the 4 modes. So whitening mode, that's to get that polished look on your teeth. I'll try out all 4 and let you guys know what I think in just a second. Alright guys, so here is the brush. Let's go ahead and put some non-fluoride toothpaste onto there. So let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, cool. So there it is. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna put it in my mouth, stop talking, and let you guys see how this will actually operate. Wow. So that's the soft mode.
This one feels a lot more gentle. Try the next mode. Wow. The cleaner mode. Alright, so the bristles are extremely soft on this brush. I really like the fact that the bristles are very gentle. I also like it in the soft mode for those sensitive spots on if you have sensitive teeth. But the brush head is able to reach everywhere in my mouth. Put some more toothpaste on. Let's see how my mouth feels. It actually feels really clean. The brush head is able to reach anywhere I want it to go in my mouth, which is awesome. And it's giving you can charge it 2 times a day. You're gonna get 60 days when it comes to using this. So it's gonna last pretty long when you have it on 100%. Definitely a good update. I really like the 4 modes. So this one has a 4th mode now. It's got the cleaning, the white, the foam, and the soft. Clean, white, foam, and soft. And it has the timer to let you know how long it's been going. So yeah, as far as the overall feel in my mouth, I could definitely feel like it reached every single spot I wanted it to go. There wasn't any spots it missed. It's got a very nice, powerful jet. You could definitely feel the bubbles forming everywhere in your mouth while you're actually brushing. This is definitely solid, guys. I definitely think this is a solid improvement from the last year's model. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the RANVOO AirJet II. I think it's going to be an improvement on the AirJet 1 if you want to get those tougher areas. It's got that circular shape to it versus the oval shape on the other one. So the brush head is a lot smaller when it comes to, you know, brushing your teeth. I think that this is going to be really good. You know, it says up to 60 days battery, water resistant body. Yeah, you definitely can get up to 60 days of use per charge. Charge it 2 times daily. It says you have that auto lock-in feature when you hold it for 3 seconds, and it's going to be good for sensitive teeth as well, so it won't feel like it's actually damaging your gums when you're using it. And yeah, it just has that really nice clean feel after when you brush. You definitely feel like you hit every single spot on here when it comes to using it. So yeah, the O-shaped nozzle is gonna be good for those nano bubbles that actually clean all the plaque in those hard to reach areas. Let me know what you guys think about the AirJet 2 in the comments, and if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm gonna hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.